Greetings everyone, it's time to cook with Blessing. Welcome to my kitchen, and today we are making Ogbono soup, also known as draw soup. Ogbono soup is one of Igbo's special soup, and today's ingredients we have Ogbono seed. Make sure you buy the fresh ones. We have beef, we have dried fish, and we have stock fish, we have crayfish, we have okpei. Adding okpei to your ogbono soup makes the aroma so wonderful. We have our fresh yellow pepper, and today we are using pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu leaves. We have our salt and seasoning cubes, and finally our palm oil. Let's begin by steaming the beef. Add your seasoning cubes, salt, onions, and cover up to steam for a few minutes before adding water. Add your stock fish. Make sure you wash your stock fish very thoroughly, and dried fish. Time to grind the ogbono seed. Please grind thoroughly to avoid lumps. Let's keep the ogbono aside and slice our vegetable. Remember, you can use bitter leaf, but today we are using pumpkin leaves. Let's check on the meat. As you can see, I added more water. Once the meat is very soft, you can add your fresh pepper, crayfish, and okpei. Time to add the palm oil. Cover up for some minutes. And add your seasoning cubes to taste. Add a little salt. Check for salt and spice. Now it's time to add the grinded ogbono. Remember, we grind the ogbono very thoroughly. Stir and cook for a few minutes, and once the lumps are gone, you add your vegetable. Once you add your vegetable, you turn off the fire immediately. You do not want to cook your vegetable for long. I love to add sliced fresh pepper at the end of my cooking. And guys, our ogbono soup is ready. This is going down with hot eba. Thank you guys for cooking with Blessing today. Please subscribe.